Reviewing what you do.
But one of the criteria to be a DPO is that you've got it written in your constitution, so you're going to amend the constitution.
Our uniqueness is the actual outreach work.
PUKAR is an organisation which provides information, advice and training to disabled people and carers. PUKAR works with all communities, but most staff, volunteers and service users are from black and minority ethnic communities. Judith, a Disability Equality North West development worker, has been supporting PUKAR with capacity building.
Yes, I mean, we go to consultations, although we're quite good on a number of different things. It was very useful to have a diagnostic assessment for us to look at really our opportunities, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats, and the sort of the kind of things we would like to explore in the future. So it's always very useful, for an external person to come and look at that with us.
Mental health service users?
Yeah. And we discussed quite a number of issues. We had some board members and some staff members who sort of looked at where the organisation could be in a number of years' time, where the gaps are really, because we're always trying to work towards improving the services continuously.
First are women, then are disabled people, and then ethnic minority. That's three groups suffer most of inequality,
I think it was very useful to do it as a formal procedure, and Judith was able to draw out a lot of the things we were thinking and put them on paper, which hopefully will have a report. So that was useful, for that process was useful.
The lobby of disabled people's organisations.
PUKAR found advice from another disabled people's organisation very helpful.
We have had other consultants who have given us some bit of advice, but I think this was it's quite well tuned, I think, around the disability.
The mayor and even though they didn't understand the language, they enjoyed it.
Local support has been valuable to PUKAR.
I've got that in sort of partnership working with different forums, different organisations.
Having the information provided to us, people coming to us and supporting us with the information and advice and support is very important. If this session had taken place, if we had to travel to Manchester or somewhere, we may have thought about it several times, and may not have ended up going, and consequently we would have lost out.
From BME.
And that bespoke part of the service is very important for us as an organisation, on our premises preferably, because we are providing a service as well as trying to do quite a lot of other things. So it's purely because of the lack of human resources that small organisations have. It's not that we don't like travelling or anything like that.
All trustees got different skill, experience and knowledge.
Any seminars about what the role of the organisations should be, training on human rights, for example. There's a whole range of things that organisations like ours would benefit from locally, if possible. Quite a lot of things happen in London that we miss out.